One of the things about polymers is that we can produce polymers of lots of different properties simply by adjusting things to do with the chains that make up the polymers. Let's take the example of these two. Okay, we have the polymer polythene and we also have wax. Now chemically these are very similar, but this has much longer chains than this one. And so if I try to break the candle, it's quite easy to do. But taking this polythene, which is much thinner, very difficult for me to break it. And that's down to the length of the chains in each of these materials. I'd like to compare it with pasta, and here's some I cooked earlier. Now if we consider the short chain lengths that we have in the wax, it's a bit like macaroni, and if I want to separate the bits of macaroni out, it's quite easy to do so. Now what we're interested in here is not the bonds along the molecule, but the intermolecular forces between the molecules that we need to separate out in terms of breaking the material. If we take the spaghetti, the polymer, polythene, to try and separate out all these strands is quite difficult because they're much longer and therefore there's more of them, the length, to stick together, and so it's much more difficult to break the polythene than it is to break the wax.